folks, I have a really special project to show you. This is my first customer-built Kingdom era tenor ukulele. And let's see, number 934. So the shape and size and scale length of this is based off of the rajau. And the rajau is a Portuguese instrument that came to Hawaii. And it was the bigger of the two that came in 1879. So it usually had 5 strings. This is the first one I've done with 4. So every once in a while people called this a taro patch fiddle. They had other names for it too. But it usually had 5 strings. This one's got 4, low, G, C, E, A. And so this shape and size comes from my research. I had examined several instruments from the 1880s, and this is what I'm going for. And I think it turned out great. So it's a whole different construction method for me. It's the Spanish heel construction method, a whole different system, and it's been humbling to learn. So yeah, the body is all koa. It was some koa supplied by the customer, actually, who is a woodworker. And look how curly it ended up being. It's really great. And then, so it's got my, and then koa for fretboard, headplate, and bridge. Some cypress for the neck. It's got geared tuners, modern strings, bone, nut, and saddle. Bridge pins and everything, like the originals were. And yeah, it's a 17-inch scale length, with the body is kind of elongated and everything. It kind of is longer than most tenors and thinner, but I like it. And I'm really getting the sound I wanted out of this. I wanted kind of that sparkly, upper register, detailed, dry sound of the old instruments, but it does need to have some depth, some warmth, some sustain in order to suit modern needs, and I think I got it with this one. It's taken a while, but I think I got it. This is my shop-made rope binding for everything. It's really fun to work with that sort of thing. So it's 934. I'd be happy to make more of these. It's been a really cool project. Cheers.